LaserLite is a game-changing technology for optimizing tire uniformity. Upgrade tires to OE quality level or even recover scrap tires. Forjet's team of experts offers the world's first laser system for tire uniformity optimization. Tire manufacturing technology is well advanced, but tolerances in processing add up and negatively impact a tire's uniformity. In other words, tires are not perfectly round. The worst-case result: sensible vibrations, noise, discomfort, increased wear, and even impaired safety. Tire uniformity is measured by using fully automated testing solutions to determine if tires meet the OEM specification for radial force variation or whether passengers are up for a bumpy ride. Touchless optimization on the tire's bead seat, minimizing radial forces to assure a smooth and safe ride. Invisible processing, sensible results. And laser ablation permanently eliminates the root cause of radial force variation, creating a solution for highest quality standards and in compliance with OE requirements. At best, repeatability that does not require consumables or permanent maintenance, such as legacy grinding technology. LUC. Optimizing tire uniformity. Powered by Forjet.